We'll demonstrate Wheatear stitch. Can see it contains some loop stitches. Let me demonstrate. First, come up at upper left position. Then take down at middle point where two lines cross. Stitch one straight line. Come up at lower left segment. Return needle to middle and take down. After stitching 2 stitches top and bottom, move needle to middle point here and come up. Thread needle through, just stitch 2 stitches. When we thread, needle only needs to go below segments, not poke needle into fabric. That's wrong operation. Then take needle down here. Again, come up here at upper left. Take down at middle point. Stitch one up, one down. Move needle to lower middle point here and come up. Continue threading upward. Thread through 2 straight lines, top and bottom. Again, following only thread, not fabric method. Pull thread through, forming small loop. Take down at middle. Top and bottom again, stitch 1 straight line. Let it form connected state. Note each time threading. Must thread through both top and bottom straight lines. Let it form small loop. Return to middle and take down. Following this method, complete remaining pattern. This stitch looks slightly complex. As long as you practice several times, we'll quickly get hang of it. This stitch very suitable for stitching some grass outlines or some small area filling. Can stitch beautiful shapes. Take down. This Wheatear stitch is complete. Let's see the overall finished effect.